Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. This one we can write into sine s squared, everything to the power of 2. So we have the formula in here. Sine s squared equals to 1 minus cosine 2s over 2. So I will put this one go in here. And now we need to expand this one. So I will put number 4 go outside. Next, we have the second formula in here. Cosine s squared equals to cosine 2s plus 1 over 2. This is about 2s, so we put 2s in here, so this one should be about 4s. So I will put this one go in here. So we will have about 1 over 2 cosine 4s plus 1 over 2. Number 1 plus 1 over 2, we have 3 over 2. And now we have the final answer. The integration of 3 over 2, we have 3 over 2s. The integration of this one, we have 1 over 2 sine 2s. And the next one, that's about 1 over 4 sine 4s. And we put about c in here. Number 2 divided by number 2. 2 and 4, we have 1 over 8. This is the end. Thank you for watching.